for memamuni akwaba eba Melodies TV na enkra yensa aka from Ningo Pram Pram Honorable Sam George ne constituency na yene nim say NDC 4 seat bankra yensa aka from the MPP camp ne say MPP aspirant no wakobo obi asum wa assault obi ewo police fu enimu a anse ne beto aso na subscribe na click notification bell no eno ene da screen so sesia we hear the latest news be about once ebeka mensa kan police medical form a etre say ya assault obi because we share reports na mensa kan na ya tro assaulted so ya tro who complains that he was assaulted not say will be complain say will be na yakayaka de na asem ni MPP aspirant for Ningo Pram bi ni din de Alex Mate na de yate ene say Alex Mate wone abrante bi a ye friend John Chawe na John Chawe ni din ye twa ne short e friend CJ inti wone CJ yade a wo mo ye adwuma CJ ye MPP ni na wono na wo boa sa MP aspirant ni ndwuma wo pese wo ye bibia na CJ no ene eboa no na yese embra na CJ wo ye campaign ama Alex Mate for what would say this year mu na MPP for one year one primaries. I think some few months ago 1 year one primaries and Alex Mate will win for the MPP inti CJ and our year campaign no Emma Alex Mate will to me win here inti yes time now one year campaign na duration no period now 1 year campaign no they see and say Alex Mate one ma CJ camera ena adie bia ye friend LCD card nti o ma the camera ene LCD card ye say na nsen ebefi Alex Mate ho a wo se CJ infa camera ene LCD card embre no ena CJ nso wo de camera ne call but one fa LCD card no anko na explanation na wo ma Alex Mate ne say oh LCD card no there won no CJ say weekend dia wo kotwa pictures bi ewo eye bi ase nti o pese wo clear pictures no every eye na so pese wo clear footage no every eye na ase no clear we are na wo de abre Alex Mate yi nti yesi ye no na tese share Alex Mate bufu asem no wo call report ye ema police na wo di echi call CJ ifie call ransa ke ho se dabi abrante na asem no ka no boa nti wo koje ade no by force etiefo eno hunti wodi na chie police station na police fu enim wotin nsa boss CJ yasum enye easy o tese ebufuo bebia ekodu ye to the extent say police fu enim MPP parliamentary aspirant wontumi anhye ne ho nso emma watene ne nsa abo obi aso mo police fu enim na inkra yensa aka enye se ye betena ha say asay will be image and I say will be obi abrabo ye kan semfo afani pakuna say ni image dabi but what we've actually heard from the MPP camp ewo Ningo Pram hoka etrese sa Alex Mate eyade a omo a woni omo ye adwuma trese eyade a obi a woni ni ye adwuma bia no oni ni pakuna nya issue ema later like Yevan so be fa no ni ye adwuma wono obenya issue last but say woni wo kontokwa it you say every single person and now we close to Sir Alex Mate they bia that is what it has actually ended at it nkrofo kan say wono de we obi a we arrogant we obi say wa wonim say nsem say ba obviously people will try to also spoil his name e dia obekwa kohwem kan na enye sa note but from the reports we are having and from what we are holding on TSSA and not into police for MSR CJ medical form say medical form me one fanko hospital na yanko ye no test enhwe say sebe asumbo na MPP aspirant yi ebo no den na ato no like affecting ni baby ana into police one kasa the medical form no nsa trotro nsema no ema or the call government hospital ende mene wo ka say police why omo adwen say that be wo mo mpene ema sebe wo mo a wo mo hwene ano in the name of you being an MPP parliamentary aspirant into wo bu obi wo ya ye nim na do say yen hwe na wo kosa that be into police for no charge no with an assault case. A chief for any asema edaho. Now, I don't know, but I just don't want to speak on this because they be American. Me say bonnet ana sebe ma bonnet imprim baby do. One say engrophobia. I don't know if it is the universe trying to educate us on this thing. I just don't know because we share from Endra any and then videos am I kasa me kasa nya is on ebufuo. Misusu say sa parliamentary aspirant ni bufu ya ma ne broso ama wentumi anhye ne ho den like just say it overcame him. Intia na wakote ne nsa ebo wo bi ewo police just say ni refi ni buefua to the extent say ni refi class wo gina police for enim ama wonu mo wa wakọ report na nka bonim say obetumi abo nipa ko na ade na wakọ report ma police for in the first place onu mo wa wakọ report asem na ma police for no wonu mom ebufuo nti ezanza branch ne ko kan wo police for nim say oh LCD card ade a we so inti say ni me de bebe later me pesa me clear image me nim say dia ne say branch ne wo peso wi a o seden o ama wakotine ne nsa bobi ama asem na beda ne different case police for just say asem how they call two police when him say wo monje ade ne mfi a branch ne ho umbrella no sisi akoda ne different case sisi ye wumo and a police for air charger with assault and she here this particular story no me say na me nim go pram ho but amma me matter story way and it tells you say nim go pram ho no asem we ka ebe because next year what per say you to as parliamentary member and as parliamentarian. So what will the people are womo go pram ho bomo beka MP abobobo unyanya MP impo na wo bobo nkofo aso police for enemy. Obviously people who love you or people who actually wanted to vote for you no they will not vote for you again. And yes, ebia ningo pram hono kra MPP 4 seat o. Ningo pram hono NDC 4 seat. Wo hwe ukọ echi a saa hono akwai se voter region no. Wo ye den NDC 4 na win. Now one of the constituencies are MPP 4 wo mo die si omuni so say wo mo pese wo mo win ningo pram. Nti wo hwe MPP 4 ba so no through wo mo youth organizer Nana Boache through youth organizer Nana B. Womaye a lot of things e woningo pram ho. Wo sha wo musi wei no meko si wei no makoye donation wo orphanage homes e woningo pram ho because it is one of the seats at MPP for aka edi wo monse si so say they want to win that seat from the NDC. Nti say why are selected as parliamentary aspirant wo ubetumi aboa ama MPP for win this seat na fi NDC for ensem no. The story is be say eba bontia obviously no o hwe ejuma pa MPP for wo mo aye e woningo pram ho it will come to a waste because at the end of the day it depends on you the parliamentary aspirant. Intimesre ebufuo ne de eya meka akwa say makaza sa intimeka na nkrofo beka wo kra asemba akona wo bosso sa but show we need to talk about it so you guys will know what we are talking about so you guys will get to see the level of this whole thing. Nini ayebufuo nini na ayebufu nini everything ayebufuo ubufu ya otu me ko bo bi aso police we nim embra we nim say they are the law enforcers. It is CJE there ebia ye share asem na se no CJE na ebia na asem enye de ebi kra na police for ebeta na age wade ama but bebi asem na sisi ekodu no wo na sisi wa asem abesai ebia na reason ntia wo de call kra se police for NJ asem no emma no police was on best because omunim you shown gross disrespect and at this issue no say ni abeto abonten no so no police for no be your adwen say omo be ma asem we are ending in its logical conclusion because omunim say nkofo ni aba ho ati ase omu ni se nkofo beka say hey we the police for abrant we mu anya na hwe na tre say police for ye ne kra musuru MPP for mu yese internet mesre. This is another case to us ye ni na so before a mesre don't take any action. If you to back wa will be the man. No, I think I read it somewhere. If you to back wa me read you, will be me de bo me bra e boa me and I still e boa me and say get me read and they say we near jabro so don't make any promise. Wo hwe na bia nda wo sorry na bibiesi wo wabrabo mama we near jabro so men ko hye bobia. Don't make any promise. So we buefu say den don't take any action or don't say anything. Embra we who say we buefu men can like obi ayo wade ama obuefu men can ade e beba otrim say can men can action e beba otrim say ye no menye. Just stay cool. Now these two situations no dachi ebetumi ama you regret yourself, you regret what you do for the rest of your life. We near diabroso we near jinti we wako promise you obi say hey meto we ama na fe ade ne ba no wanye ni ba ko no wafa ho tan o hia me bo say obeye we wanye wafa ho tan ubuefu obi edi watem asem bia about trim boni bia ne ba ko ne ye wana boni bia ne ba ko na koye about trim asem bia about trim say ye ni say pese kan bi fa go ni pa ko no because the all can ye ohi unim na okoya be no for the rest of your life. And enyumre story am post here police near wako drinking spots sa obi ko she nebufu police ya twetio aboni pa ko ne tue kuno kwa ntre ma jo comment box me tie for me da say